Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a beautiful, eye-catching gradient background using Photoshop 2025. Whether you're working on a social media graphic, a website header, or just want to spice up your design projects, mastering gradients is a skill that'll really level up your work. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up your canvas, pick and customize your gradient, and lay down a background that looks polished and professional. Let's jump right in. First, let's set up your canvas. Go ahead and open Photoshop and either start a new document or open an existing one you want to work with. Here's a quick tip. In Photoshop, the background layer is usually locked by default. To give yourself the flexibility to work with gradients and effects, double-click right on that background layer in your Layers panel. A dialog box will pop up, just click OK. That immediately unlocks the layer, turning it into a standard layer that you can edit freely. Or if you prefer a totally fresh layer for your gradient, click the little New Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. This gives you an empty starting point, which can help if you want to keep your background separate for easier adjustments later on. Having your gradient on its own layer is super helpful if you need to tweak, mask, or experiment without affecting other elements in your project. Next up, let's select the Gradient tool, the fastest way. Just press the G key on your keyboard. If you don't see it immediately, check the toolbar on the left. Sometimes it's tucked away under the Paint Bucket tool. Just click and hold the Paint Bucket icon and you'll see the Gradient tool peek out. This tool is what will let you paint those smooth transitions between colors, so make sure you've got it selected before moving on. Now it's time to choose your gradient. Take a look at the options bar running along the top of your workspace. You'll see a little gradient preview box. Click it and that'll open up the gradient picker. Here you'll spot a bunch of preset gradients from subtle fades to bold color splashes, but don't be afraid to experiment. If you want something unique, click right on the little color swatches to open up the editor and customize your own blend. Maybe you want a gentle blue fading into white, or maybe you're going for something energetic like pink into orange. If you're feeling creative, you can even add more than just two colors. To do this, move your cursor over the gradient bar until it changes to a little hand icon, then click to drop in a brand new color stop. You can adjust where each stop sits by dragging them, and you can change their color just by double-clicking. Try adding a third color for a more complex effect. Think of it like painting a sunset where the colors gradually melt into each other. Don't worry if you're not sure about your choices at first. Gradients are easy to tweak until they look just right. Take your time, play with the controls, and preview how the colors interact. When you're happy with your gradient, maybe you've got a perfect ocean blue fading into a tropical teal, go ahead and click OK. And that's all there is to it. You've now set up a custom gradient background in Photoshop 2025, and you're ready to bring extra flair to any project. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button. And if you have any questions about gradients or Photoshop tricks, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.